What if I told you that one bottle costing about $3 can remove mold, disinfect surfaces, whiten grout, eliminate bloodstains, and sanitize your entire home better than products costing 10 times more? What if this powerful cleaner is sitting in your medicine cabinet right now, completely underutilized? I tested hydrogen peroxide in ways you've never imagined, and the results were so shocking that I had to film everything to prove it's real. Stay with me, because your cleaning routine is about to be revolutionized. The forgotten miracle product. Most people think hydrogen peroxide is just for disinfecting cuts and scrapes. It sits in the medicine cabinet, barely used, slowly expiring. But here's what hardly anyone knows. That same bottle is one of the most powerful, versatile, and safe cleaning agents ever discovered. It's used in hospitals to sterilize equipment. It's used in water treatment plants to purify drinking water. Yet somehow, we've been convinced we need dozens of specialized cleaning products when this one solution could replace most of them. Before I reveal these incredible tricks, let me ask you something. If you're spending too much money on cleaning products that barely work, if you want a solution that's powerful, safe, and affordable, hit that like button right now. And if you're ready to discover what hydrogen peroxide can really do, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, because this information will change everything. Let's get into it. The tricks that seem impossible. Let me share the most powerful uses I've tested. First, bathroom mold and mildew removal. Spray 3% hydrogen peroxide directly on affected areas. Don't dilute it. Let it sit for 10 minutes. The mold will break down at a molecular level. Wipe it away. I tested this on black mold in my shower grout that I'd been scrubbing unsuccessfully for weeks. 10 minutes with hydrogen peroxide, and it was completely gone. No scrubbing required. Next, whitening grout between tiles. Mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda to form a paste. Apply it to discolored grout lines. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then scrub lightly and rinse. My kitchen floor grout had turned from white to brown over the years. I thought it was permanently stained. After this treatment, it returned to its original white color. It looked like I'd just installed new tiles. The power of disinfection. But hydrogen peroxide isn't just about stains and mold. It's an incredibly powerful disinfectant. Spray it on cutting boards, especially after cutting raw meat. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then rinse. It kills bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, more effectively than many commercial disinfectants. Use it to sanitize your toilet bowl. Pour half a cup in, let it sit for 20 minutes, scrub and flush. The bowl doesn't just look clean, it's actually sanitized. Why this works so well. Here's the science that makes hydrogen peroxide so effective. It's H2O2, which is just water with an extra oxygen molecule. When it contacts organic material like mold, bacteria, or stains, it breaks down into water and oxygen. That extra oxygen molecule is what does the cleaning work. It oxidizes and destroys whatever it touches. And because it breaks down into just water and oxygen, it leaves no harmful residue. It's completely safe for your family and the environment. The transformation. Since discovering these uses, I've replaced 5 different cleaning products with 1 bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Mold remover? Don't need it. Disinfectant spray? Unnecessary. Grout whitener? Replaced. Stain remover? Hydrogen peroxide does it better. I'm saving many dollars monthly, but more importantly, I'm reducing the number of toxic chemicals in my home. My cleaning routine is simpler, my home is actually cleaner, and I feel better knowing I'm not exposing my family to harsh substances. There you have it. The hydrogen peroxide cleaning tricks that no one tells you about. From mold removal to disinfection, from whitening grout to eliminating bloodstains. One product, countless solutions. If this video just opened your eyes to what's possible with hydrogen peroxide, smash that like button right now. Subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications for more powerful cleaning secrets. Share this with anyone still buying expensive specialized cleaners. Comment which trick you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay smart, clean powerfully, and never underestimate simple solutions.